Hello from Philippines. Hello from India, Kerala. Say hi. This is us. Three in start like this. By the way, say hi. Say hi. We eating what is this? Parsam. Parsam. And too much mess. Time check. 5:48 a.m. in the morning. So she need to sleep again. Time check. It's 7:40. She wake up again and here they are. They are fighting because father need the sleep, but he can't. They are fighting. Whistling, whistling. Tired.
Nothing happened.
What?
Nothing happened.
Time check. Still awake. She pooped. That's why I will change. Mama too much sleepy. Time check. 8:55 p.m. We are making a breakfast. First time in history he's making paratha. Homemade paratha. First time. This is we will use because we don't have that pan for paratha. Because this is like we try pinos. What is that called?
Maida.
Maida paratha. For paratha, am I right? You make this in Kerala before?
Never.
Never. So it means first time in history you're making paratha in UAE. And of course our baby's there. It's because she don't want to sleep. So we bring inside the kitchen. It's take time to make paratha. It's not easy for him. If I know I will make, but I don't know.
Ikaw eh.
Put flour. Maybe they can put flour or something.
Minsan gusto hindi mapura.
Or she put too much. This one and make another one like four pieces for breakfast only. We don't have any curry for now. That's because just trying first time. This is first time he did, and we don't know what we need to do to make perfect paratha. Time check. 10 o'clock in the morning. Breakfast. This is for me paratha and coffee. For him, this one lighty with the bread peanut butter. Still not sleeping. Time check. 2:22 p.m. Just now we wake up and she wake up. She cried. We will change pampers and then after we need to shower here. For now, we need to prepare the room first. Time check. 3 o'clock. So this is in the morning. What time we do breakfast? This is I just put here and I put like this because I will wash. So see, and my partner do put here, not me. Everything. If it's the one doing 1, 2, 3, all we will put. And this one, all miss. Here we do coffee. So in the morning I didn't show you guys how I make coffee. Here only inside, and here we do rice here. Before I start my day, I will clean our room. But first thing, I will go bathroom to do my skincare also. So wait, I will start cleaning. Time check, 3:46 p.m. So I'm done cleaning. This is my wall. I just put because I think she like it. So I changed the pillowcase only. It's because this one only 3 days this bedsheet. It's done. I need to put fish there.
So I need to put bakor so our room is smelled good. And still my baby sleeping. And
Check, 4:35. I'm done. Like before, see this is the result. So the plate I will put here after. And see, finish. This water, we don't have a space to put here. We didn't sleep up that's why. This one I put prepare there because he will pray, so easy to get, not mess, you know. This one, kayak. Not there before, but I covered it because it's too cold for my baby. That's the reason why this one here. This is our kitchen. This is mix and my friend cooking. Very nice. Okay. Show you the rice. See, this is rice from, this is Morocco rice. See, pasta. See, she cook a lot. See,
before I start washing, I need to do like this so the another dirty like we are mixed now. So it will remove and I will start washing. After washing, I need to boil the water and I need to put in plate, spoon, and glass.
time check at 6:42 p.m.
Before I start cooking, I need to wipe the area where I cut things. So we have fish. fish, so we need sauce for fish.
Tomato first.
Time check 7:30. Oh my god, this is our lunch.
This is the last step I will do, cleaning the bottle, and I will shower here after. And this bottle I will
Time
boil inside my
check
room. So maybe I keep
8:14.
5 minutes
So this is
boiling
the last.
inside my room. That's it. Finished. And thank you. This is my day.